What to do about that weather strip? Have you ever been driving and all of a sudden there is this annoying wind leak that was never there before? How about a drip during a rainstorm that just started? 9 out of 10 times, these are caused by an aging or misaligned weather strip. If your customer is complaining about any of these, you need to break down the symptoms into a couple categories. If the vehicle is older, the problem is likely the rubber in the weather strip is drying out and losing its ability to seal. As rubber is exposed to ultraviolet rays and chemicals in the air, it will start to degrade and it will lose its pliable characteristics. If this is the case, your customer has several choices. You can sell them a tube of pure silicone and instruct them to rub this in liberally on multiple occasions. If the rubber is still able to be rejuvenated, this will return the pliable nature of the strip to normal. The one caution here is that it does tend to make the strip greasy and attract dirt. This is bad for areas that might come into contact with clothing. If the strip is still in relatively good shape, one of the spray-on silicone products might just do the trick. Again, several applications might be in order. This is also the application for someone who wants to protect their strips before they start to degrade. If the customer strips have collapsed but are still fairly pliable, most strips are actually hollow. Many leaks can be stopped by stuffing the weather strip. Many items can be used for this, but the most common is windshield wiper hose or vacuum lines. Start with the smallest tube that will elevate the mating surface back to the desired height. A little high is desirable since the strip will collapse as it seals. The best place to stuff them from is a downward-facing section and a slit just large enough to insert and feed the tubing up and in. This insertion can be assisted by aerosol silicone spray. Once the desired height is attained, this opening should be sealed with weather strip adhesive. In the event that the seals are brittle and beyond rejuvenation, the only solution is to install a new weather strip. The customer will need to remove the old strip and clean the area of all old adhesive. They can then use weather strip adhesive to install the new strip. Wide masking tape makes the job a bit easier. Thanks for tuning in.